Good afternoon, it's Simon at Kel-Berg. Just thought I'd give you a quick intro into a new vehicle we are going to be delivering to a local company. Just thought I'd show you a few of their key features. As you can see, it's an 8x4 fitted with a Kel-Berg Grab Loader installation. Some of the unique features that Kel-Berg offer is the full galvanised subframe, full galvanised bolt-on wings, bolt-on bumper and fixed full width galvanised steps. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in this or any other Kel-Berg products, look forward to hearing from you. My name's Simon Hall and you can get me on 01869 344403. Thank you.